What is going on, guys? So we're actually here at Holiday World Splash and Safari, and if you have a Tesla EV, I just wanted to point this out. This is pretty cool. They have destination chargers here at Holiday World. So Holiday World, if you don't know, it's kind of like a little bit away from like any major city. So they're basically like a couple hours from Louisville, Kentucky, a couple like 30 minutes from Evansville, Indiana. Yeah, it's not a couple hours from Louisville, Kentucky, like an hour and a half maybe. But yeah, so if you ever come out here to Holiday World, they have these cool destination chargers. There's quite a bit of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12 total chargers. I did have an issue with this one right here. I plugged up to it, and it says charger unrecognized. It would not let me charge there. Maybe it's designated for an employee or something. Maybe a couple of these are designated for employees with Teslas or something, and so like they don't allow access to everybody. But yeah, super cool. I'm actually not going to park here. Jenna's got the Model Y over there. But I'm not going to park here because I got to get that marketing parking. So I'm going to take a vehicle up there. But yeah, we have a couple different Teslas here. There's a Launch Series Model 3, I believe. Here's a refreshed Model Y. Here's the older Model Y. We actually have one of the new VW things. They're pretty interesting. I kind of like them. And also, I kind of wish that, I'm not a minivan person really, but I wish Tesla would have a minivan. So, you know, VW can do it. Come on, Tesla, get on it. Yeah, I personally would like to see like 8-seater. I need an 8-seater vehicle. I'll even take a 12-seater. Give me like this Nissan NV. This is what, if you Tesla, if you're gonna make one, make this NV. Make it also a cargo van too, so that way this same platform you can use it for, you know, multi-passenger. You can use it for cargo. You can use it for all different types of things. Yeah. Hopefully this is helpful. Yeah. See you, buddy. Hopefully this is valuable. Come to Holiday World, you will not regret it. It's a super cool splash park, super cool, you know, theme park with roller coasters and everything like that. It's like one of the best ones in the world. I've been to a few different ones like Six Flags and stuff, and Holiday World is by far one of the best. Free soft drinks, free sunscreen, and yeah, I've been coming here since I was a kid. It's one of the cleanest parks in the world. And it's also kind of like, we're out in the middle of nowhere, basically. It's in Santa Claus, Indiana, and like it's very like woodsy and like, oh, it's just really nice. It's like, I've been to like some of them that are like all concrete, but this is like almost like buried back in the woods almost. So it's like, it has a really cool vibe, and everything's also holiday themed. So there's like,
Holly Dog.
Holly Dog, that's for kids. What they have, Halloween place. They have the Thanksgiving place.
They have the Halloween. They have the Halloween swings.
Yep. Yeah. So everything's theme based. The splash park is awesome. So it's like a huge water park with water slides, some of the biggest ones in the world. I mean, if you look up this place, you'll find it. It's one of the best water parks in the world. But yeah, catch you on the next one. Peace.